What's good, YouTube? So today we're gonna be de-racing the AMG a little bit. I'm not sure if you guys noticed or not, but I'll put some clips for you guys right now. My AMG came with some like blacked out emblems with like some red accents, and I just think it looks really bad on the car, being that my car is a black car. So I'm going to the shop. It's called SNS Visuals, and I got all the OEM chrome emblems in my trunk, and he's basically gonna debadge all of the black emblems and put the chrome ones on for me today. So hopefully that'll make the car look a little bit nicer. Yo, what a coincidence, bro. Hold on, let me lower this music. Look, we're driving with another C63S, bro. What a fucking coincidence. That's crazy. And he literally has what I'm about to get done today, bro. He has the chrome emblems. Let me see if I can zoom in this lens. It's a wide angle, so it's gonna be hard to get really close, but look. Literally has the same exact emblems that we're doing today, you guys. What a coincidence. You guys, we just pulled up to the shop. About to get these clap emblems changed out. Let me show you guys the issue that I have with it right now. Is that 10mm? So look, this AMG badge is kind of fine, but why the hell does my Mercedes logo have a freaking dent in it? That shit's so ugly. And then if you guys look at the C63S, the C is kind of crooked. And then if you guys look at the side, it has this crusty red V8 emblem here that's like fading. I hate that. Damn, that shit sound good from the outside. We're pulling it into the shop right now. And look at the M340 that's here. That color is fire. Alright, you guys, we made it to the shop. There's some crazy cars here, G80, G-Wagon. But he already pulled off the Mercedes emblem because it was looking so cheap and it was barely on there. But yeah, shout out to SNS Visuals. Let me show you guys the shop right now. Look, that Tesla look crazy, M340 look crazy. This is the shop if you guys are in Miami. It's called SNS Visuals. So we have another issue with the Benz. I didn't record it, but when I came out to the car this morning, it was at 0 PSI on the right rear. But when I installed those wheels, I found out that that wheel was welded. So I'm gonna have him check the wheel right now to see if it has like a nail in it. And yeah, hopefully that'll get it sorted out. And I won't have to deal with putting air in it every time I drive it, because I had to wait maybe like 10-15 minutes before I put air in it this morning. So I guess these 5 welds in my wheel is probably the reason why it's leaking. That shit looks crazy. And look at the new emblems, you guys. It makes the car look so much better. I didn't get a chance to update you guys about the tires yet, but when that tire guy checked it out, it was leaking from the welds and the rim. So thankfully these tires are still good, but I'm gonna have to go pick up some new wheels for it this weekend, because just from me being at the shop for like an hour, it already lost 5 PSI of air. So bent cracked wheels are not it. Alright, you guys, we're leaving the wrap shop now. Big shout out to SNS Visuals. He really did his thing. This is probably the most professional wrap shop that I've been to in South Florida, and the quality of the work that he did with the emblems really speaks for itself. So it is the same day, it's just nighttime. Literally I've been spending all day just on Marketplace looking for a replacement set of wheels that I like for the Benz. And let me tell you guys, looking for wheels like on a whim is not easy. But one of my homeboys just got a new car, and let's go ahead and check it out. Bro got the Audi. Okay. I think this car has the same engine as the old S4s, S5s. It's a supercharged V6. Damn, bro, we both switched teams, bro. Shit is clean though. Look at that supercharged V6. Yeah, it's the same engine as S4.
You need light.
Yeah, it's literally like the XL version of the S4 with a better interior.
Flap was stuck, so I did that, and a valve cover gasket, and that's all I did.
Yo, this car is gonna be a crazy sleeper when you're done with it, bro. No cap.
It is gonna be crazy. I'm not even going too crazy with the outside.
Yeah.
Or the inside, because it doesn't really need much to make it like 500 wheel. So
definitely a step up from the N55, if you ask me.
Yeah, the
N55 in heavy cars, bro.
Yeah, it's too slow.
I could tell you guys that myself. That shit is not it. It's too slow in a heavy car. But in your 1 Series, bro, that shit rips.
It's perfect. It's
yeah.
perfect. And this is perfect for this. Actually, the torque is there for sure.
Yeah.
With the tune, you get like a tune already. You get like 130 horsepower, stage 1.
Damn, bro. Yo, make content on this one, bro.
Yeah, I know. I will make content on the one and this car. They're not done yet.
Yeah, bro. This is tough. He already has a lot of parts on the way. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys, but this is gonna be crazy when he's done with it.
Yeah.
And I rarely see anybody build these. So if you guys are interested in C7 A6 content, definitely go follow my boy. I'll link his channel when he makes it. Damn, you guys could definitely tell this thing is stock. No noise whatsoever. Like, at all, at all. Damn, these peanut butter seats are nice.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Alright, let's get in this. I kind of like how the screen like goes away. Like, you know?
Yeah.
You don't always want the screen out.
Yeah, it's bulky up here, but like shit doesn't work right now.
Yeah, you get it taken care of, bro. It
Take
is
it
what
to
it
the
is.
shop.
Yeah, for a 2013 car, that it definitely had a BMW.
Full screen dash is crazy.
Yeah. It shows a lot of information too. Yeah, you could do a lot on there. Looks like it's wider than my Benz. I'll tell you that. My Benz is like a little square.
I don't know, man. Audi was cooking.
Damn, this thing's like a comfortable ass cruiser, bro. You could do road trips in this shit. No problem.
Yeah, I think I drove like 4 hours right today.
Yeah. The windshield's a little bit dirty, but this thing cruises. Check out this view. Take my hoodie off. Getting hot in here. No, you're good. You're good. It feels good. Better than being in the cold ass weather out there.
The heater works like instantly every time I get it. It's been such a blessing.
Yeah.
BMW, you have to wait like 10 minutes, bro. I don't know.
I haven't even put the heat on in my Benz, bro. I just put the heated seat on and dug it out.
Oh yeah. Well, this one's got heated seats and heated steering wheel.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't use it much in Florida. But
Oh, it actually moves. It's not bad.
yeah, it's just instant torque.
Yeah.
It just goes.
It hits like NA.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy. It's super quiet though. Vacuum
Yeah. But I mean, bro, they made it as like a commuter car, you know? It's not like...
This was definitely some mom car.
Nah, some rich guy definitely bought it at first, drove it to the office, then some mom bought it.
Mom bought it, and then
now it's here.
Then it got repoed, and now it's mine.
Oh, it got repoed?
Yeah.
Damn. And that's the A6, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. But now I'm going to show them the Benz. Gotta get your reaction too, bro.
Oh my god.
Yo, this car, like when it reverses, it like slips the clutch like a manual. And like at low speeds too.
So when you let off, do you have to hold your foot on the brake?
No, it'll roll a little bit, but like initially, like the car will not move when you put it into reverse. Like, see, it like barely. You have to like tap it.
Oh, so it's like an F80.
Yeah. Nah, the F80, it's like it literally will not move if you don't touch the gas. This is not like that.
Oh, so it creeps.
It creeps a little bit. Like
It's like the 1 Series.
Yeah.
It's be harder to hold this thing still. This car is very stiff.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's not me even downshifting. The car just did that.
Oh. We got a Sport Plus. Yeah, Sport Plus is gonna do that.
I got Sport Plus and the adaptive suspension's in like stiff as fuck. But hold on, I could make the suspension comfort.
Yeah, it's.
Oh,
that's better.
Yeah.
It was like before, it was fucking crazy.
Oh, I have fucking parts in my trunk. I'm like, why is it rattling? It has like 8 welds in it. Not just 1, 8.
Yeah, imagine how many cracks it had.
It had 2 new cracks in it. And like a dent. Like a bend.
Oh my god. Well, at least it drives straight right now.
No, it only, you can only tell like at like highway speeds. Like above 80.
Alright, we're going now. Oh yeah. Yes, that is fucking crazy.
And that was just spinning, bro. It was like fighting itself.
Yeah, wow.
And I didn't downshift either. That's just all like, that's how it does.
Nah, yeah, it was spinning at first, and then once it gripped, it like took off.
Yeah, bro.
Damn. That reminds me of an M6, to be honest. That freaking raw power. Oh.
Yeah. Just spins, bro.
I feel like it puts it down better. Puts it down pretty good.
This car?
Yeah, the power.
Yeah.
Like the M6, you gotta wait till like your highway speeds for it to do anything.
The M6 is, or any F-Series M, it's like very twitchy.
Yeah, it's I've driven one and it went completely sideways when I punched it.
This like it'll spin, but it gives you confidence when it spins because you know where like the car is.
Yeah, no, dude, it felt amazing.
Here, we could go straight a little bit. The trans is bad aggressive too, bro. Yeah, crack the windows like a little bit. Every time you let off too, like it just does that stop.
Damn. Wow.
Bro, that's why when I test drove this, bro, I was sold, bro.
Yeah, that sounds aggressive, like stock. Like,
yeah.
You don't need much more than this. Like, it's crazy.
Yeah, because it has a valve exhaust, so like in race mode, it just like it wakes up crazy.
It's probably like half muffled. Yeah, the engine mounts are toast.
Yeah.
Feels like a 1960s V8 muscle car right now.
It's a 9-year-old car, bro.
My car feels the same way.
Yeah.
So you get going and it feels fire.
Hopefully it's not too hard to do on this car, but probably won't even do it myself. Private shop do it.
Yeah, honestly, I'm not doing that shit myself. I don't have the tools for that.
Yeah.
And that thing weighs like a ton, like
if you have to hoist
2
that,
tons.
yeah.
So I'm not doing that. Feels like a sport bike right there.
Bro, it's quick, bro, and that's the stock. It's like nothing.
Oh my goodness.
Damn, it's wet. I like that it has an LSD too, so when it like spins, it's predictable as fuck.
Yeah, that's probably why it grips so good. Like that LSD is just working.
Trans feels good to you?
Oh yeah, definitely. Can't go wrong with DCT. It's like the best transmission ever made.
When I get new wheels for it, I'll definitely let you drive it. It's just a little sketchy. If anything happens with the fucked up wheel, I want to be responsible. So my insurance pays me.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'm a little tired today too.
Yeah. No, I don't blame you, bro. You just did a 4-hour road trip.
Yeah, bro. It's stressful, bro. Thinking like, what's wrong with my car? Why is it making all those noises?
The lug is fucking loose.
Loose lug nuts. Oh
Yeah.
my god. Buy a car, tighten up the lug nuts, do an oil change. Probably all these rips right here just warmed it up.
Yeah. No, it was like 160 before we left.
Okay. That's crazy.
I'm gonna do a little pull with the windows down when we get into the parking garage, so you can like really hear it. Like a V8. Maybe I could turn you into a V8 believer today. You guys didn't know he likes 6 cylinders better.
I do. But this one sounds sick, and it feels sick. But let's see. The supercharged V6 is gonna catch up until he mods his.
And it's not raspy either. That's why, like, I don't like people that like delete the resonators and shit on this. Like, I'm gonna just do downpipes with the stock exhaust and like just enjoy the tone.
Yeah, you need resonators in any car, honestly. That just kills all the raps.
Yeah, bro, this is my C300.
The engine's huge.
4-banger.
4-banger.
Nice little twin turbo 4-cylinder right here. It's a C300. If anybody want to race me, it's a C300. Let me know. I forgot to tell you guys, when we did that pull, we had like 400 pounds of weight in the back. 2 wheels, a muffler. I know you guys can see it right there.
Yeah, no, it's packed full.
But this is his work truck.
We
Look.
have 20-inch wheels, tires, mufflers, and us too. And it was
Yeah, no, it still moves. That's the all-wheel drive life, bro.
first all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Excited. I'm excited for it to like rain and I'll do some donuts.
It probably will slide in the rain.
It might snow. It's been really cold. It might snow.
Go to Orlando, bro. Get some snow.
We go to Pensacola right now.
Yeah.
Do some all-wheel drive donuts.
Yeah, bro. This car would be sick if we got snow. Getting through anything.